Okay, what time is it? What time is it, Xavier?
It's 5:50. Oh, it's 6 o'clock.
Is it? What was it 1 minute ago?
5:59.
Okay. What was it 1 hour and 1 minute ago?
4:59.
Mm-hmm. What was it 5 hours ago? Exactly 5 hours ago.
Okay. It's 5. It was 12.
Oh, it's 6 o'clock now, right?
It was 12 o'clock.
6 o'clock?
Oh, 1 o'clock.
It was 1 o'clock, okay? Now, in China, it's plus 13 hours ahead.
Plus 12.
12?
You told me 12.
I thought, well, it's 12 or 13. Okay, so if it's plus 12 hours, what time is it in China right now?
So we're at 6 o'clock. 6:01.
Okay, so 6:01 right now. What time is it in China?
(6:01 a.m.) and here it's 6:01 p.m.
Okay, so what day is it? If it's a.m., is it this morning for China or is it tomorrow?
It's tomorrow.
Because it's 12 hours
Ahead.
ahead, right? Okay. Now, what about Vancouver time? Vancouver time is 2 hours behind us. What time is it in Vancouver right now?
It's 3:02.
2 hours behind us. What time is it right now?
2 hours? It's 6 o'clock. Oh, 4:02.
And why is Vancouver behind us? Do you know?
Because they're moving. They're to the south. I can't. To the east?
No,
to the west.
To the west. To the west, and so the sun rises in the east, so it's earlier on the east coast. So what's a city on the east coast that's earlier than us?
Denver?
Denver, Colorado, that's west.
Oh.
Okay, so like Halifax, the maritime provinces.
Florida?
Florida's the states, and Florida is on the east coast, yes. So what time is it there? It's 2 hours.
Behind?
No. 2 hours earlier. So like when you wake up at 6 in the morning, they've already.
Because it's farther.
Right. Like and the sun rises up there. So what time is it in Florida right now?
It's how many hours ahead?
I think it's 2 hours ahead. So what time is it there?
2 hours ahead?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then it's 7:03. No, 8:03.
Yeah, 8:03. Good. Okay. So here's a question for you. If you were to go on a bus right now and it would take you an hour and a half to get there, what time would it be when you get there?
Go where?
Let's say an hour and a half, maybe to drive to Grand Beach.
Okay.
What time is it right now? 6:03?
Yeah, it would take me all the way to 7:03.
It's an hour.
7:04.
It's an hour and a half.
Oh, 7:34.
7:34. So you added an hour and then you added 30 minutes, right? What about an hour and 45 minutes if a trip took you an hour and 45 minutes?
7:50.
Well, 45 plus how many minutes are you there?
7:49. No, 7:44.
Well, an hour and 45 minutes. An hour would
7:49.
There you go, because it's 6:04. So an hour would make it 7:04 plus 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. So 7:49. Good. Okay, I have another question for you. You can put the clock away if you want. Okay, can you sit up? If you were driving 100 kilometers an hour and where you want to go is 250 kilometers away, how long would it take you to get there?
I don't know. I don't understand.
Okay, I'll make it easier. If you were driving 100 kilometers an hour, you know when you are on the highway?
Yeah.
When you're on the highway, you're driving 100 kilometers per hour. If we have to go to Brandon, Brandon is 200 kilometers away. If we drive for 100 kilometers, that takes 1 hour. If we drive another 100 kilometers, that takes 2 hours.
Oh, so every 100 kilometers is an hour?
Yes.
So then, okay, back to that other question.
Okay, how long would it take you to drive to Brandon if it's 200 kilometers away and you're driving 100 kilometers per hour?
And what? Can you repeat it?
Brandon is 200 kilometers away and we're driving 100 kilometers per hour.
It would take 120 minutes. Or 2 hours.
Right. Because there's 60 minutes per hour, right? So 60 plus 60 is 120 minutes. Good. Okay. What about if some place was 250 kilometers away? How long would it take you?
150 minutes, which is 2 hours and a half.
Yeah, that's good. How come? Why are you calculating it in minutes? Why aren't you calculating it in hours?
Because it's easier.
It's easier for you to calculate 60 plus 60 plus 30?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good. I would have just said 1 hour plus another hour plus a half an hour to 2 hours and a half. Okay. What about...
And I like math.
And you like math. What about 1,000 kilometers away?
But where would that be, to Thunder Bay?
Thunder Bay is 600 kilometers per hour. 600 kilometers? Sorry. Thunder Bay is 600 kilometers, I think, away from Winnipeg.
What about Falcon Lake?
Falcon Lake is...
Eagle Lake.
Eagle Lake is 3.5 hours away. 350 kilometers. I'm giving you all the answers.
350 kilometers away? So then that's 3 hours and 50 minutes.
No, not 50. 350 kilometers. 50 kilometers is how much?
A half. Okay. 3 hours and a half.
Yeah, that's good.